is, how can I write a personal declaration for my VAWA petition? So what type of information do I need to include in my VAWA declaration? This is a great question, especially because many attorneys used to believe that VAWA benefits could only be used by people who were suffering really severe physical abuse. There was a myth that you need a police report to apply for VAWA. So if you do have physical abuse, if you do have a police report, of course, you can apply for VAWA if you otherwise qualify. But in terms of talking about the abuse you've suffered for a VAWA case, what you want to do is talk about the various types of abuse that you've experienced. So you will have I would say, of course, do an introduction, tell the government how you entered the U.S., how you met your spouse, how you decided to enter into that relationship with your spouse, the spouse, of course, that is abusive towards you, in which you're in that type of relationship where you would otherwise qualify for a VAWA. So in terms of the type of abuse that you want to talk about in this VAWA application, make sure you cover a wide variety. So, for example, you want to talk about emotional abuse. What has your spouse done, said to you? Do they keep you isolated? Do they humiliate you in front of friends or family? Do they blame you? Do they call you names? Are they yelling at you? So you want to talk about verbal abuse. Are they calling you names? Are they putting down your country of origin, right? You want to talk about psychological abuse. Are they making you think that you're crazy? Are they telling you you're cheating on them, or you're unfaithful, or you're not a good wife or a parent or a husband? Are they saying those things to you? Are they making you question your own perception in various ways? That can be considered psychological abuse, so you can have a section on that. I would also have a section on financial abuse. Are they jeopardizing your job? Are they preventing you from working? Are they calling you all the time while you're at work and preventing you from doing a good job? Do they keep you from going back to school to advance yourself? Are they checking your receipts and monitoring your spending? Do they maintain control over the finances in your relationship? So these are the types of things you want to include if it occurs. Of course, you want to be truthful with everything that you submit, but this is the type of financial abuse that you might want to cover in your declaration. Of course, sexual abuse can also, if that is occurring, you can also put that in there. Physical abuse, including, making you fatigued, by requiring that you be the one that's responsible to do all of the work in the household. So there's many different types of abuse that can be covered in a VAWA case, in a VAWA declaration. If you need help with your VAWA declaration and your VAWA application, I would highly suggest that you contact an immigration attorney. If you want to call us to have a consultation, please do so. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663.